Vanakkam friends, Trinity Cultural Academy welcomes all of you for this presentation. The presentation is on the multiple choice questions in soils and fertility management. This is part 2. Part 1 already I have uploaded in my YouTube channel. And these questions, multiple choice questions are useful for all the competitive examinations being conducted by ICAR at national level as well as the Tamil Nadu Public Service Commission, in addition to the public commissions of the other states of India. And let us coming to the questions for discussion. The question number 1 is which among the following is not a chemical constraint? For this question, the correct answer is permeability. And here I have given another two options. The salinity. Salinity is the accumulation of salt in soil that will damage the soil as well as environment. Regarding sodicity, it is the presence of high proportion of sodium in relation to other cations. And regarding the acidity, the pH range is very ideal for all the plants, and that is 5 to 6 pH. The second question, the statements, three statements are given. You have to find out which are all the statement is correct or not. The first statement, saline soil, it needs application of farmyard manure at 5 ton per hectare in paddy field for reclamation. And in order to reduce the salt content in the sodic soil, you have to apply gypsum based upon the requirement. And regarding the iron and aluminum toxicity, you have to apply the organic matter in sufficient quantities depending upon the soil conditions. For this question, all the three statements are correct. The question number 3, the process of converting organic nitrogenous compounds into ammonia is ammonification. This is the correct answer for this question. And regarding the nitrification is the reduced nitrogen oxidized to nitrite and then to nitrate by nitrosomonas bacteria. And with respect to mineralization, this is the conversion of chemical compounds into organic matter. And with respect to oxidation is the loss of electron, that is an element combines with oxygen to form a compound. Number 4th question, the conversion of inorganic compounds into organic forms by the soil organism, that is the microorganisms, is called as immobilization. This is the correct answer for this question. Here I have given the B option, that is reduction. Reduction is nothing but the removal of oxygen from a substance or addition of hydrogen in the substance. And the third C option is decomposition. Decomposition is nothing but the conversion of organic matter that is broken down into carbon dioxide, water, and several other minerals, especially the nitrogen compounds. Then ammonification is nothing but the dead organic matter is broken down to nitrogen compounds. We can move on to the question number 4. The average CN ratio of cultivated soil is 10:1 to 12:1. This is the CN ratio of all the cultivated soils in India, in which the crop plants will grow healthy and it will yield high productivity. The question number 6, what is the CN ratio for fresh organic materials? and for fresh organic material the CN ratio is 50:1. That is the correct answer for the question number 6. We can move on to the question number 7, which is the match the following, and there are 4 points are given in the list 1 that has to be matched with the list 2, that the answers. And for this match the following, the nitrobacter, it needs nitrite as substrate, and nitrosomonas, it needs ammonia as substrate. Diobacillus will convert sulfur into sulfur dioxide, and ferropacillus, that will convert ferrous into ferric compounds, and the correct option is D, 2143. This is the correct answer for the match the following 7th question. The question number 8, where is Indian Institute of Soil Science located? It is located in Bhopal. That is the correct answer. And 9th question, what is the average population of mold in 1 square meter? The average population in 1 square meter, the mold is 10 to 200 billion per meter square. Which is the major nitrogen fertilizer used in our country? The correct answer is urea. And this nitrogenous fertilizer is used major in all the crops. 11th question, what is the percentage of nitrogen present in DAP? And the nitrogen content of DAP is 18%. The question number 12, what is the percentage of phosphorus present in triple superphosphate? The percentage of phosphorus present in triple superphosphate is 46%. The question number 13, what is the chemical formula of muriate of potash? That is potassium chloride is the correct answer. And question number 14, what is the percentage of potash in sulfate of potash? That potash present in the sulfate of potash is 48%. 15th question, what is the chemical formula of urea? Chemical formula of urea is CONH2 within bracket and 2. And that is the chemical formula of urea. 16th question, among the following which is not a micronutrient? Copper is a micronutrient, zinc is micronutrient, boron is micronutrient, whereas magnesium is not a micronutrient, it is a secondary nutrient, and this is the correct answer for question number 16. The question number 17, what is the right ratio for the given fertilizer schedule? 14, 28, 14. The correct ratio is 1:2:1. This is the correct answer for question number 17. And question number 18, among the following which is not an ether soluble compound? Fats are ether soluble, oil is ether soluble, wax is ether soluble, whereas tannins are not ether soluble compound. This is the correct answer. The question number 19, the process of converting organic form of nitrogen into inorganic form of nitrogen is known as mineralization, and denitrification is nothing but the reduction of nitrate into nitrogen gases, that is N2 gases. Nitrification definition we have seen in the previous questions, and also ammunification we have seen in the previous question. With this, I am completing this presentation. This presentation is available in my SlideShare, and SlideShare link is I have given. You can download this presentation from the SlideShare, and for this I have given the link. Thanks a lot, friends. And you can view this presentation comfortably in my YouTube channel, Trinity Cultural Academy, Coimbatore. Comment on this presentation and do like and express your like in the YouTube channel, and share this presentation to your friends. Thank you, friends. Thank you very much for patient hearing.